Know thyself to establish who and what you are in every circumstances. Hi viewers. Today I have taken the topic articles. We may think that this is the simplest topic, but sometimes we struggle to use the articles correctly in our conversations and in our writing. I hope this video will make you to understand the usage of articles a and the. The words a and the are called articles. They come before nouns. We have two types of articles, they are definite and indefinite. Definite article is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. Let us see where we supposed to use the article a, which is an indefinite article. It is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound, not consonant letter. Consonant sound. For example, a girl, a child, a teacher, a union, a university, a eve, a unicorn, a useful article. You see, if you see the sound of the examples that I have given you, G, C, T, U, U, E, U, U, YU, union, university, eve, unicorn, useful article, YU. The sound is YU. Therefore, it is a consonant sound. So we have to use before these words the indefinite article a. Okay. Now let us see the indefinite article an. It is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sound, not vowel letter, but vowel sound. Examples: an enemy, an orange, an umbrella, an hour, an honest man. You see, E, O, U, A, A. H, H. Both are consonant letter, but here it's a vowel sound. We don't say honest, but honest. Ah, oh, okay. So therefore, in these places, we have to use the indefinite article an. Now coming to the article the, that is definite article, we have so many rules to be followed in the usage of the definite article the. First one, it is used when a particular person or thing already referred. When the particular person or a thing is which is already referred in the previous sentences, in those case we can use the article the. Second one, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, the cat, the rose, whole class, flowers, cat, animals. So when it represents the whole class, when it is a singular noun, we can use the article the. Then third, it is used before some proper nouns. Some proper nouns, examples: oceans, seas, rivers, canals, deserts, group of islands, mountain ranges, a very few names of countries. Yeah. So in these cases, we have to use the article the. It is used before the names of certain books. Certain books, for example, the Ramayana. It is known. Okay. Therefore, in this case we have to use the article the. And you see, next one, it is used before names of things unique of their kind. The sun, the earth, the sky. Unique. Stand by itself, no? Therefore, in that case, we have to use the article the. It is used with superlatives and ordinals. Superlatives means positive comparative superlative. The third form of degrees of comparison. Highest, cleverest, yeah, the most beautiful. And ordinals, the first, the second, the third. So in that cases we have to use the article the. It is used before musical instruments, for example the guitar, the flute. Yeah. Okay. So it's the simplest form of understanding the articles a and the. Dear viewers, watch it, listen it, make use of it. Let your language be attractive and beautiful. Thank you.